Hello, I'm Dani. Welcome to the workshop. Halloween is close and that's why I decided to make this more cute than scary pumpkin in SolidWorks, and I will show you in this video how to do it and how to print it. I'm starting with a sketch profile and a revolve, but my revolve will be only 60 degrees, not a complete one. I use the freeform feature, adding a lot of vertical lines and viewpoints to deform the outer face in a way it looks like a real pumpkin. Then I make a circular pattern of the body with 6 instances to have one complete seamless outer shape. The next step will be to combine the resulting bodies. I pick this face to draw a sketch for the profile of the stem, which I then extrude in 2 directions. So in the upper direction is more where will be the main of our stem, and in the other direction I extrude with a 0.5 millimeter to make sure I won't receive a 0 thickness afterwards. Then I use flex twist, after that flex taper, and at the end flex bend to make it look like a real stem. After we're ready with these steps, we can go back to the profile of the revolve and change it until we receive a result of the outer shape that we are happy with. Then we make a sketch and extrude cut for the mouth and the eyes of our pumpkin. Then I make a sketch to where I want the eyes and the mouth depth to be ending, and from this I make a revolve. Then I add some fillets to make it nicer looking and easier to print. If you don't have lightning infill, then shell the pumpkin, combine it with the stem and slice it with support everywhere so you can print it fast and easy. If you do have lightning infill, then you can use a solid object and just combine the 2 parts together. Save your file as STL and import into your slicer. I'm having a lightning infill, so I use a solid object. In the description of this video you will find links to both hollow and solid object of this pumpkin as STL file, and if you want to thank me, you can like the video and say it in the comments. I hope I will see you next time. Bye!